Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Ready to supercharge your fitness journey and get fit fast with the power of plant-based foods? Today, we're diving into how you can transform your body in no time using delicious, nutrient-packed plant-based options. Buckle up, because you won't believe the incredible results you can achieve. Let's kick things off with a game-changing fact: plant-based foods can actually rev up your metabolism and aid in digestion. That's right. These foods are not just tasty, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help burn fat and build lean muscle. Imagine eating your way to a fitter you. Sounds amazing, right? Now, let's dive into the details. We all know how tough losing weight can be. Dealing with cravings, low energy, and feeling deprived can make the journey feel endless. But here's where plant-based foods become your best ally. Think vibrant leafy greens, juicy fruits, hearty whole grains, and protein-rich legumes. These power-packed foods not only fuel your workouts but also support your overall fitness goals. Here's the key to transforming your fitness game: meal planning, staying hydrated, and loading up on high-fiber foods. Planning your meals ahead of time ensures you're never caught off guard with unhealthy choices. Staying hydrated keeps your metabolism running smoothly and helps you recover faster from workouts. And don't forget fiber-rich foods. They help keep you full longer, making it easier to resist those sneaky cravings. As we wrap up, let's recap the magic of plant-based eating. By incorporating more plant-powered foods into your diet, you're setting yourself up for quick and sustainable weight loss. These foods nourish your body, boost your metabolism, and support your fitness goals every step of the way. So, here's my challenge to you: start adding more plant-based meals to your daily routine today. And for a special bonus that will elevate your fitness journey even further, check out the link in the description below. It's packed with exclusive tips and resources to make your transformation even easier. Share your favorite plant-based recipes and weight loss tips in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more health and fitness content. Together, we can crush our goals and live our healthiest lives. Here's to a fit, fabulous you.